The data that I've chosen is the data of admission rate of students into a college on the basis of their TOEFL score, statement of purpose, and CGPA, and other GRE score, and etc. This data consists of a total of 400 instances and 9 features, out of which one of them is a categorical data and the rest are numeric data. And the categorical data says about whether the students are part of research or not a part of research. And this data is of the categorical in nature. So, I have chosen this data set because this will give me the best of the graphs, and uh, the target variable that I've set is the admission into the university or the colleges on the basis of their GRE score, TOEFL score, CGPA, statement of purpose, and etc. And I chose the target variable because the target variable, which is the data set, which is the admission into the university, is completely based upon their CGPA, TOEFL score, SOP, or GRE scores. And I've chosen these distributions because, as per the ranking of these data, like the correlation in the data, the highest correlation was for CGPA and SOP. So I chose these two distributions so that it will be easier for me to tell how whether the student will be able to uh, admit into the university or not. So in the CGPA distribution, the CGPA distribution is normal, and the frequency is high at 3 points, which is 8.1, 8.5, and 9.2. This factor affects the target variable. And as per these basis of the CGPA distribution, the CGPA, the students get admission into the university, and the highest number of students who got admitted whose CGPA scores were of 8.1, 8.5, and 9.2. And students who have 8.1, 8.5, and 9.2 have the highest chance of getting into the university. And according to their statement of purpose, so basically the statement of purpose is marked out of 5, and most of the students fall in the range of 3.4. This is also a factor affecting the target variable, which is the admission into the university. So um, the statement of purpose is marked out of 5, so the 3.4 range students keep have a higher chance of getting admission into the university. And again, the scatter plots have 5 outliers with low variance, and this GRE score is also a factor affecting the chance to admit, and hence the scatter plot is in this form. And if we will look at the other factors like the rankings here, the rankings are based on the basis of the correlation between the two variables. And as we can see, the items we are consisting are of the 5 best of the whole of the data, which which are highly correlated to the target variable, which is the admission into the university. And testing the data is segregated on the basis of 30% of overall data set test, the model after being trained by the rest of the data. And the trained data, to predict the values, we have to train the data with the 70% of the data, and test the accuracy of the model with training the data and the predictions. So as the R2 value is 0.831, we can say that the accuracy of the model is 83.1%, which is pretty good and is considerable.